Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to bringing back Basic Gray for March. We are playing with basic gray paper that we have in our stash because they do fabric now. So you can't go out and buy basic gray paper, but some of you might have it in your stash. And sometimes we run across it at garage sales or thrift stores and get kind of excited. A lot of it has like a mixed media or super fancy patterns look. When Basic Gray was making these papers, there weren't really that many brands. You know, this is way before Tim and all the grunge and that sort of thing. What I am doing is scrap cards. I did some last month that were pretty masculine, and then this month I was feeling a little more springy. I have some like lilac-y, I think you would call it, and green, and then this one is green and blues, and these were just little scraps that were in my stash. This is an embellishment that I made in a different video one time when I was playing with Basic Gray. It's a little thick to mail, but it could be a hand-delivered one. And then the thanks was out of my stash. So that's not actually Basic Gray paper, but we don't have rules about that. And then on the inside, I just have a little scrap. Look at how little I had of these patterned papers, and yet you still notice them. I mean, they make an impact. So keep in mind that if you have a paper you love, you can get something done with it. This one, the same, really busy pattern. And then these are Basic Grays. And this was out of my stash. And I just thought, I'm doing it. It kind of works. Maybe it doesn't, but I liked it. And then another paper on the inside that doesn't match. So just having fun and really stretching those scraps. I noticed in my Basic Gray bins, I have a lot of scraps. I mean, we're talking like these or like this. So I'm trying to do some cards and get some of those used up before I run out of like full collections, right? Do some scraps, then pull out a collection, make a journal, back and forth. Be sure to check the description box down below to the link to our friends to see what they made this month. And I'm sure Beth and Kathy have something creative. And Kathy has been on a roll making huge amounts of cards, so you never know what she's going to come up with. I'll be back again on the 21st, which is Friday. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and taking great care of yourself. Bye-bye.